Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display assembly on the Samsung Galaxy A54 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug from the logic board. Next, remove the broken screen with the frame. First, take out the logic board from the frame. Ensure the SIM tray is out. Next, disconnect two antenna heads and the main flex plug, and then undo the screw securing the board. Next, remove the logic board by releasing the cameras from the bracket. Next, remove the power volume flex from the frame. Next, remove the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, disconnect and remove the main flex from the body. Next, free the Touch ID camera from the bracket and then undo the screw securing the board. Next, release the LCD plug from the board and then gently remove the charging port board with antennas. Next, take out the vibrator motor from the body. Next, remove the battery from the frame. And now all parts have been removed from the faulty screen frame. When selecting a replacement screen, you'll find several types on the market. The most common and reliable option is the original service pack screen, which includes the frame and some components. Another option is the original screen without the frame, but installation is more complex and time consuming, and durability may be a question. You'll also find refurbished, used, and aftermarket screens available both with and without the frame. For a durable repair process, I recommend choosing a screen that comes with the frame, whether it's original, refurbished, used, or aftermarket. This option is widely available and greatly simplifies the installation. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, secure the power inflex on the new screen frame. Next, align and secure the logic port on the frame. Verify the placement and secure the cameras to the bracket. Next, secure the logic board by adding the screw and then insert the SIM tray. Next, place and secure the battery with adhesive. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, align and place the charging port board with antennas. Next, secure the Touch ID camera in the bracket and place the LCD plug on the charging port board. Next, connect both antenna heads to the logic board and verify the cables are running through the frame. Next, secure the main flex by connecting from both sides. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.